Hello friend, this is from Carvel Machinery Technology Company in China. Here it is a new finished two-size kneader mixer for Bulgaria client. And the left one is a lab scale 10 liters model. For this mixer, we use the PLC system as a control way for all the operations of the mixer, and we use the Siemens brand motor and hard tooth fit reducer connected directly to support the strong power. The right part is a mixing vessel with top lid, and inside, outside of the material contact part, we make stainless steel and mirror polish. We can see two windows, one with light, and this is for the observation glass with a scraper and a material feeding port. Material will be discharged via the cylinder tilting way. We equipped a hand wheel with reducer. This is inside the situation, double sigma blades, mirror polish, stainless steel. Okay, we take around to see it. Now the mixer has been connected with electricity power. We make a simple test for it. First, this is emergency stop button and release. This is the voltage meter and the ammeter. Okay, we can see the screen. We have both Chinese and English, absolutely. We use English. This is a working screen. For the mixing direction, forward, reverse, and stop. This is speed up, speed down. This is a frequency and the speed display. After we control the speed, wire up and down. And the middle is a jogging switch. We equipped the inching switch for the jogging function. And the right part is a temperature control area. We can set a temperature here, input and confirm, and then open and close. This is for the temperature display for the material and for the jacket. So now we make the test for the mixing function. Forward, speed up. I keep my finger on the button. You can see the change of the frequency and the shaft speed. I make the half frequency and the speed 22. We can check the mixing simulation via this window, and I also open the light. Now we can see the double sigma blades working in the forward direction. Okay. Now I stop it. And then I test the reverse direction. Right direction. Now the sigma blades are rotating in the reverse direction. This is the reverse direction. I make the max speed up. Okay, 50 frequency. This is max speed 42, rotating speed. Now the mixer rotating, working in the reverse direction. Beside, I would like to display the safety protection system via this sensor here. Once I open the top lid, the mixer will stop. Now I opened the lid and the mixer stopped. This is for the safety consideration. And additionally, we equipped the engine switch function. This is mixer, motor, jogging. I must keep my finger on the button continuously to drive it. For the mixer clean or maintenance or material discharging, you can see I keep my finger on the button. Once I remove, it will not work. This is a safety design, safety protection design. And now it stopped. So this is a simple test for the mixing function of the 10 liters model lab scale kneader mixer for Bulgaria client for the food industry. If you have any interest for this kind of mixer, please don't hesitate to contact for more information. And later I will share the 300 liters model kneader mixer, special designed for the Bulgaria client. This is from Carbon Machinery Technology Company in China. Thanks for watching.